How sketching class will enhance your child creativity? In sketching class, the child will get encouraged to imagine more, think differently, to create new innovations. So their observation skills will be automatically developed. Once observation skills get developed, the focus and same time in the thinking the new perspectives and new angles will get more open. So in the time they will get opportunities and time to do this all the things in the sketching class, they will come with a lot of new concept, ideas and the obstacles world in the mind. The sketching class will help the child to bring those ideas, concept, things, and the thoughts into the page. So whatever they will learn, the scribbling, sketching, character sketching, object sketching, the sketching skills help them to bring those things into the paper. So once that comes into the paper as a form of sketch, they can able to see what they imagine, what they thinking and all the things, correct? So this helps the child to improve on that particular ideas or concept or characters into the next level. Not only that, this also can able to help other people to see how this child is creative, what he is communicating. Got it? So that's how the sketching class, the sketching skills helps children to be more creative. So always the sketching skills works as like one of the communication skills, how you talk, sing, write, correct, to communicate something. Same things in the sketchings will help, very powerful skill for any creative child. This is very powerful tool. If you want to train the child to be a creative, then also you need the sketchings to help them to learn the sketching. By learning the sketchings, they can able to improve on the creativity side. This is the two-side benefits. Okay, if you want to help your child to be more creative, or your child is already creative, you want to give these sketching skills to the child to create a lot of stuffs based on the creativity or based on the art side of the character sketching, whatever it is. Helping them to learn sketching is the best way to help the child to be more creative on the art side and the creative side. If you want to help, I am offering 1 hour free demo class, character sketching mastery demo class, for people who is interested to learn sketching, who want to develop their creativity skills, focus skills and imagination skills. Otherwise they want to improve on, they want to learn the sketching skills so that they can able to sketch their science, physics, cartoon character, all the things, projects on the school works and all the things to go to the next levels. This is the perfect place. This is the right time to begin. This is the right way to begin with 1 hour free demo class. Okay, I'm given the link below. Click the link and join the demo class. So you can able to learn 3 things. I will be covering on 3 subjects. 1, sketching foundation skill, freehand sketching foundation, you will be learning it. The second one, you will be learning it, the sketching method. That's name called shape to form sketching method. How you can see anything and draw immediately. Got it? That's the second subject. The third subject will be character sketching process. Whenever we will draw object or subjects, otherwise for characters, we follow the process. Okay, you need to learn certain process first. Once you become a good at the process, you can able to create your own process down the line 3-4 years later. Got it? So these 3 subjects you will be learning it on the demo class. Without waiting, just click the link below and register for the demo class and join the demo class 5 minutes before with your pencil and the notebook. Okay, I'll see you on the live class. Bye bye. Take care.